Hi guys, what's up? My name is Seep and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be showing you about this bell box from Vanity Wagon, what's inside it, what is a bell box, where you can purchase it from, and all the other details. So if you're interested, please do keep watching. Vanity Wagon is all about clean beauty. It is a website where they sell only clean beauty products. Now, what is clean beauty? Clean beauty are products that have ingredients which are not harmful to the humans or the environment. Like, they are not necessarily organic per se, like it's not a requirement for clean beauty to be organic, but it's just about the ingredients that are in there that do not harm us or the environment we live in. So that's pretty much clean beauty in short. And Vanity Wagon is known for selling only clean beauty products. So that's Vanity Wagon. Now let's move on to this Bell Box. So Bell Box is a monthly subscription box which is only available at the Vanity Wagon's website. I do wish they had an app, though it would have been much more easier, but currently they only have a website. So the cost of the box is 1299 and they have products worth rupees 2000, and these products which are there are about 5 products every time, and currently this box I checked is worth around 2500 products. The other part that I really liked about this subscription box is that I can see what is coming to me in the box. Usually subscription boxes are like surprises, which is great. I mean, it's a great feeling, but then there are times when you end up getting stuff that you didn't want or you already had, so you just feel like, okay, now what am I gonna do with 2 of these? So this actually lets you see what's gonna come in the subscription box, which is great. Now let's dig into what's inside. I have opened it once just to see what's inside because I was really excited. And these are the 5 products. And I really like how they have this environment-friendly packaging. Let me show you one by one what are the products. Okay, so the first product is by Paul Penders, Intensive Hair Repair Therapy. So this is definitely a new brand because I have not heard about this brand before. It is for 600 rupees if purchased individually for 75 grams. That's a lot. Basically, it's a hair mask. That's what it looks like. Directions: apply generously and massage through hair and scalp. Leave for 10 to 30 minutes. Rinse well. So it's basically a hair mask. Restores balance and life to dry, damaged and chemically treated hair. Leaves hair full of vitality and shine without weighing it down. Also targets split ends. Now, I quite like the packaging. Let me see what the smell is like. Smells nice. But the only thing is that if I had to buy this right for 600 rupees and 75 grams, I would have not purchased it. I mean, I'm usually, and it comes with this as well. Like, I'm usually used to hair mask being that big fat bottle which will last me a good 2 months, kind of thing. This might be good for traveling purpose or whatever. Next up is SKOG almond oil. This seems interesting. I've heard a lot about this brand. So it says, so basically it's a natural cold pressed sweet almond oil. How to use for skin: use as facial oil, complexion enhancer, under eye treatment, lighten appearances of stretch marks and scar spots. Can be used as a body oil. For hair, use as a hair growth serum as well as treating dry and dull hair. This is what it looks like. It's basically a glass bottle. It doesn't really have much of a fragrance. I'm gonna use almond oil, right? I actually use almond oil to massage my face, and you will actually see your face glowing the next day because I use this in my nighttime, not this but an almond oil in my nighttime routine, and it really works out beautifully. Next day you will see a glow. Also, you can use it in a lot of DIYs. For example, mix it with whatever hair oil you use, or in your face packs that you make, put a drop or two. This really adds glow to the face. You can also use it for your nails, your cuticles, and all of that. So this is going to be quite helpful for you. Now the price for this individually is $435. Next up is from Bare Air molding cream, argan oil and shea butter. Now what it says is it's a molding cream. Sculpt your mane with this luxuriant portion for hair that is lustrous and thick. Work a desired amount of molding cream through dry, damp hair and style using fingers or comb. For a medium flexible hold and light matte finish, a molding cream rinses out easily. And it's for medium strength. What it says is that it protects hair from pollution and dust particles, helps thicken, define texture and boost hair volume, gives long-lasting hold and semi-matte finish, washes out easily. This is going to be interesting because since I have curly hair, I really need a molding cream. Curly and frizzy hair. That's what it looks like. Oh, it smells really nice. I'm gonna try it out. Next up is from Juicy Chemistry, Camellia, Amla and I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Camellia, Amla and Apricot Organic Leave-In Conditioner. So that's a second leave-in conditioner. It's a glass bottle. Let me show you what's from inside. Oops, let me open it. This is what it looks like. It smells nice. It smells of Amla. It's for hydrating serum for dry and frizzy hair. Let's see what it says in terms of how to use and everything. So directions to use: place a tiny amount of balm in the palm of your hands and rub palms together. Gently massage into your hair ends and smooth over the length of your hair. Comb thoroughly from root to tips to ensure the balm is evenly distributed. It should be used post shampoo or towel dried hair. Ensure hair is dry before application. So all of this is really going to help me with my frizzy hair, dry hair. I really have a lot of frizziness and dryness in my hair, and also as you can see, my hair is like semi-curly, if that's the word, semi-curly. Product is from Myra Veda. Again, I think it's a new brand because I have not heard about this brand. Yeah, but I love the packaging. It's so cute, so pretty, flowery. Okay, so the name is Moroccan Argan and Black Seed Restorative Shampoo. Whoa, what a name. So it's with aloe vera, ginger, olives, castor and neem, normal to dry hair types. How much is this shampoo? Now it's for 50 ml. 50 ml is too less for a shampoo bottle, isn't it? And it is, if you have to individually buy it, it is for 325 rupees. Now that's a lot for a 50 ml bottle, yeah. Who's gonna buy like that? Okay, let's see what it says. It is free from sulfates, parabens, silicones, palm oil. Ooh, so pretty but so tiny. So I'll majorly end up using it for my travel. God knows when that will happen. That's the product. It looks really pretty, but I will definitely not be purchasing this if I had to. 325 rupees for a 50 ml shampoo bottle. Nope. Let's see what it's like. It has a very it has a very sweet, simple. So those are the 5 products that came in this box, and I was talking about this packaging, how they have not used plastic, and they really stick to their whole clean beauty vibe, which is great. I love trying out new products, so this is one way for me to try out new products and get to know about the new products that are there in the market. So that way, yes, really nice, but I do wish they had a mixture of everything compared to just having hair care products, right? So and for the price, it's really not bad. I got products worth 2,500 for 1,299, which is great. So if you guys are interested in this bell box, do try it out. Go to the Vanity Wagons website and let me know what you think. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, please do subscribe and hit that bell icon, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Okay, bye.